Another comparison, I started using this Primal Kitchen Mayo. It's made with avocado oil, non-GMO, and I did it because of the ingredients: avocado oil, organic eggs, organic egg yolks, organic vinegar, sea salt, organic rosemary extract. So the reason I did that is because I was trying to get rid of soy in my diet. Well, a small container of this in a local store, I think, is like $9 to $12 for like a 16 ounce, I'm gonna say. I'll confirm that. But I got this over at Costco and it's $9.99 for 32 ounces of avocado mayo. And it is quite tasty, I must say. So it's one of those things where if you're removing stuff from your diet, you can start small, but then you need to branch up and start saving money because you've removed that from your diet. Now I'm making ranch salad dressing. So I will stop this video and create another one.